Clicker training is an easy and effective way to teach your dog good behavior using sound, treats, and praise. It helps your dog understand exactly what you want in a fun and positive way. Here is how to clicker train your dog step by step, so you can enjoy training and build a strong bond together. Some dogs are sensitive to sounds and might get scared by the clicker. To keep your dog calm, gently introduce the clicker in a quiet and safe place. Make sure you have plenty of high-value training treats nearby. These will keep your dog motivated and help them stay focused during training sessions. Also, have your clicker ready. The clicker will mark the exact moment your dog does the right thing, making it easier for them to understand and learn. In one hand, hold and click the clicker. With your other hand, immediately give your dog a high-value treat. These small steps help your dog learn to trust the clicker. Your dog will start to associate the click sound with a high-value reward instead of something scary. Repeat this process 10 to 20 times in a calm, quiet environment with minimal distractions. This is called charging the clicker, and it is the foundation for effective training. Once your dog understands the clicker, begin with a simple behavior like sit. Wait for your dog to sit on their own, or gently guide them into the position using a treat. The moment your dog's bottom touches the ground, click the clicker and immediately give a treat. This marks the correct behavior and rewards it, helping your dog understand what you want. Repeat this several times so your dog begins to associate the action with the click and the reward. Once your dog is doing it reliably, you can begin adding a verbal cue, like sit before they perform the behavior. Once your dog understands and responds well, you can start teaching new behaviors using the same clicker method. After your dog learns a command and does it well, you do not need to use the clicker and treats every time. Start by giving a treat sometimes, instead of always. Over time, your dog will learn to follow the command even without the clicker or treats. You can also give praise, pet your dog, or play with them as a reward. This helps your dog stay motivated and listen to you, even when there is no click. Slowly, your dog will do the right thing just because they know it makes you happy. This way, your dog behaves well all the time, not just during training. With regular practice and plenty of praise and rewards, clicker training helps your dog become well-behaved and confident. It is more than just teaching commands, it builds clear communication between you and your dog. The more you train together, the more your dog will enjoy learning and the stronger your bond will become.